Hey bros, what's up? Hope everything's been going great for you so far and you've been having a blast and enjoying yourselves. Hope you're doing well, everything's on point, and your heart's feeling really good. Today, I want to talk to you guys about the lag issue and the sound problem with capture cards. Guys, this part is for Elgato capture cards. Whether it's the HD series, the HD60 S, the HD60 S Plus, or whatever model it is, no matter which type of Elgato it is, unfortunately, a lot of people have issues with them, with laggy video or laggy or out of sync audio, so I'd really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll get the notification and can check it out, enjoy it, and don't forget to leave a comment. Love you guys, you're the best. And make sure to definitely follow the Telegram and Discord channels. They're in the channel bio. Some of you, when I mention the programs, I put the links in the description or the info section below the video. The links are for Telegram and Discord, so whenever I post a program, you can easily find it there. If you want to download or get the info I share, you can find and use it there. Enjoy it. You guys are awesome. I'm also putting a video for you in the top right corner where I explain a bit about capture. Definitely check that out. That's part 1 and I'm recording part 2 for you right now. If you watch that video, it can really help you out. Alright guys, let's get back to the rest of the video. All the image lag issues in capture cards are because of that port on the back of your motherboard. It's your stream PC. So whatever device you're using for gaming, whether it's a console, an iPad, a tablet, or even another PC, when you can run that game without any lag and with good performance, and there won't be any other issues. The problem is with the stream PC, it needs to be at least a system that can instantly deliver power and transfer the data file to the capture card. Then send it back to the capture card so it can go to your monitor properly. For example, let me show you a few motherboards, guys. Look, these motherboards are old models that, for instance, only have 2 USB 3 ports. If you, for example, connect your mouse and keyboard to these 2 ports and then try to plug in another device, if you connect an HDMI here or maybe a display port or a few more USB devices, unfortunately, this will cause problems, like your screen lagging, because these old motherboards just can't handle it. They're only really capable of handling, say, a mouse and keyboard, or maybe a couple more devices. If you want to use devices like a capture card or any capture device that needs a lot of power at the same time, both to receive data and to output it again, most of the time these motherboards will run into problems, just like this motherboard here. Like this one or even this one, you can see right here, look, it's a bit more up to date with USB support upgraded, and this motherboard we're looking at right now is a little better than those older motherboards that were used in previous builds. As you can see, it has the old PS2 port for mouse and keyboard, USB ports for mouse and keyboard, and it even has a Type-C port, guys. It also has a display port, and as you can see, these are the so-called new generation USB 3 ports, and these are the older ones. And this is the LAN cable port, and you can even connect to the internet via Wi-Fi with this motherboard. This motherboard is newer, and we'll see more about it as we go on, guys. Yeah, again, this is a general 1 USB port, which can still help you out, but it might lag. And as you can see, this is a general 1 USB port, which is 2nd generation. And guys, this model that I'm showing you right now, it's the Asus TUF model. I haven't had any problems with this model at all. I haven't had any issues. I can even connect a mouse and keyboard to it now. Or I can connect other devices to this new generation USB 3, whether it's General 1 or Gen 2, or I can hook up the capture card, or I can connect it to the USB-C port down here or up top. When I connected it to the USB-C port, I had no issues at all. I didn't experience any lag. Most YouTubers I've seen who don't have lag, they usually connect through the USB-C port, and there are no problems. So guys, what's the real issue? If your video is lagging, it's actually your streaming system. You need at least a system that's good enough to get the job done. Or if you have an older system, guys, don't connect too many USB devices to it. Just have a mouse and keyboard connected and then hook up your capture card. Alternatively, if you happen to have a dedicated Ethernet LAN port available on those specific systems, you can easily connect a high-speed internet cable to them as well to get online instantly. So if you have these old systems and after reinstalling you still experience lag, the only solution is to buy a USB sharing internal device for your machine. Now, some models are like this. They're USB 3.0 generation, which might be compatible with version 1, whether it's version 1 or version 2, and it has 2 Type-C ports, which could be version 1 or version 2. And as you can see, this connects to your motherboard and can draw more power and increase the data speed it receives and outputs. There's another model as well. You should also know that, as you can see, with this USB-C, if your motherboard has a built-in chip and a port like this on it, you can connect it to it. Or, for example, you can connect it entirely to this card, let's say for older motherboards using this port. And you can also use one of those old SATA cables from your motherboard, and for this USB 3, whether it's General 1 or Gen 2, you can easily connect it to it. This was about the lag issue. I'll explain to you in a bit what causes the lag. What's the deal with it? Okay guys, now we're on our gaming PC, so I can tell you what you need to do. You have to do this on your gaming PC, then we'll switch back to the streaming PC. So, on your gaming PC, you need to install an application. Guys, you need to get this program from the Elgato website, and the name of the program, guys, is Game Capture HD. While you're installing it, there's a checkbox you need to tick called Sound Capture, guys. I'll put the link to this program in the info section right below this video, so you can join the Telegram channel or the Discord channel and easily download it. Once you've installed it, guys, your card will automatically the sound from your gaming PC, its name will change from the default speaker to Elgato speaker. Sound capture. So by default, when you install the program and restart, it'll switch your Windows speaker to that. It recognizes it as the Elgato sound capture speaker. Now, what you need to do here on your gaming PC is set the output it gives you so that on your streaming PC, both your own voice and your game or system sound don't have any lag. The first thing you need to do is click on this sound icon. We click on sound settings, and when this section opens, you can see, just like I explained, at the bottom it says the speaker that's outputting the sound is from your gaming PC case. The Elgato sound capture speaker is the default device, and below that, as you can see guys, right now I'm talking with my gaming PC's microphone right now, and the sound is being played for you. Here's the USB-C, the music, that's my microphone connected there, and below that guys, when you come here, it says More Sound Setting. When you click on this, it opens your sound card settings, guys. Just like, as you can see, guys, it shows the default motherboard speaker and my monitor brand. Now, since I've connected the capture card to it, it shows up as HD60 S Plus. It brings up another option that recognizes the sound as default, just like I explained to you guys down below. Here, the speaker is Elgato Sound Capture, so guys, just right-click on it and select Properties. You'll see the Elgato logo on the speaker, and the quality level is at a full 100%. Leave all these settings just as they are. Just make sure, like I said, your sound quality is set to 100%. Alright, that's for the playback section, and now you go to the recording section. You'll see there are a few devices here, and one of them is also Elgato, but when you connect a separate microphone with a USB chip, or even if you connect it using a 3.5mm audio port, your microphone and your case, another icon will show up. Now here, for me, this microphone that says USB 3 on it, after right-clicking, I select Properties and go to the Listen tab. I check this first box that says Listen to this device, then click Apply and OK. And as you can see, when I'm talking, my voice is here. It shows the sound, like the echo going up and down, and the sound is coming through. For you, it goes from the gaming PC into the streaming PC. Now I'm going over to the streaming PC to show you a subtle tip. I'll show you in OBS how you can sync your voice and music so that the sound doesn't come in too late or too early in OBS or during your streams. So you can easily line it up there. All right, let's go to the streaming PC. Okay guys, now we're here on our streaming PC. As you can see, it's showing the screen from our gaming PC. It's displaying it right here. As you can see, I have the mouse. I'm moving it without any lag or delay. The mouse is moving smoothly. But guys, when you want the sound to come through to your OBS without any lag and play on your live stream, or when you're testing it yourself, you don't want it to keep going out of sync. When you're adding your capture device, as you're setting it up, from here, as you can see, when you click this plus sign right here, video capture device. So here I've already made one. When you click on this option and add a capture device, you'll get an option like this. Here, as you can see, it opens up and I have two capture devices here. For now, I'll just pick one of them. I'll just select this HD60 S Plus, and sometimes guys, the screen goes black, like it turns active. If you click it, the screen comes back, or sometimes even when it's active, the screen is still black all of a sudden. Activate it again, just activate it. As you can see, when I move my mouse here, it's moving on the screen too. Guys, the really important part is this section, which is the resolution setting. By default, it's set to device default, but I'm gonna set it to custom mode. Just like you see here, you absolutely need to know your gaming PC's resolution, and it clearly shows it here as 1920 by 1080. I'm gonna select this one. The second part here says FPS, which is 60 FPS, or basically I set it to whatever the highest it can show is. I just set it to the highest possible. Set the video format to this one, set color space to default, and set color range to default as well. Guys, some of you who stream, set this buffer to enable it or set it to auto, and then set the audio output mode to output desktop audio. When you set this and hit OK, basically all the sound coming from your gaming PC and your streaming PC, it all comes through this option, which is desktop audio. As you can see on my gaming PC, when I click, you can see the sound comes through this desktop audio. For some people whose both systems are really good, and like I said at the beginning of the video, they have good motherboards, yeah, this works. I can say it works about 80% of the time, but for a lot of people, this solution, it doesn't work. You definitely need to open up that capture card you added again. Guys, come down here, set the buffer to disabled, and for the audio output mode, set it to capture audio only. Once you hit OK, all the sound will come through, guys. From your gaming PC, which as you can see, this is the PC mixer I labeled for my gaming PC. Now the audio, meaning the desktop audio, is actually for the streaming PC. No other sound comes through at all. Pay close attention and see, the sound is now coming from the music on this gaming setup. The PC where I added the capture device here, the sound is coming from here. Look, when I click, the sound comes from down here, not from above anymore, and there's no more delay. Then guys, go into the settings, in the section guys, audio. Make sure your desktop audio absolutely must. Set it to default, which will be for your own stream PC. Disable desktop audio too, and for the microphone guys, set it to default mode. Or if you've connected a microphone to your Elgato capture card, meaning directly to the capture card itself, you absolutely have to set it here to make sure to set your audio microphone to the one that's connected directly to the capture card, because some capture cards have a port, like a 3.5mm port, where you can plug in a microphone or headset, and both the mic and headset will work at the same time. You definitely have to set it to that mode. And guys, with these tips, you won't have any video lag or audio lag anymore, but there's still one more option. You need to pay close attention to that part right in your capture device settings. When you open the audio mixer for your capture device, click on this icon. Advanced audio. We click on properties, and here guys, your PC should be set to active. Basically, the cables from your gaming PC, the HDMI cables you connected to the VGA of your gaming PC, should go into your capture card. That means it becomes the input, and after the output of your capture card, it's HDMI. You connect the HDMI to a monitor, and then your capture card. If you're using an Elgato, you connect it with a USB-C port to the Elgato, and then from there, again, if you have a USB-C port or a USB 3.0 port, you can connect it to your streaming PC case. Your PC should be set to active mode. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end of the video. I really appreciate it, guys. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Turn on notifications so you'll get alerts as soon as I upload a new video, and you can watch and enjoy it. First of all, take care of yourselves. Second, stay healthy. And third, you know I love you. Until the next video, goodbye.